Hi everyone, I'm making a video presentation of what I have learned in Office Management or OSM. First, office lighting. What is office lighting? Lighting is perhaps the most important of office of physical condition. Since office work is mostly madaming papeles, and adequate lighting should be provided in any modern office para makita natin ang mga dokumento and makita natin ang ating ginagawa. And characteristic of lighting is first, sufficient quantity. Dapat sapat ang dami ng ilaw sa isang office work or tamang sakto lang. Second, intensity. Tamang liwanag o brightness ng ilaw. Ito ba ay maliwanag or sakto lang? Or sakto lang. No glare. Dapat hindi nakakasilaw sa mata. Sa mga office work, dapat yung mga ilaw is hindi direkta sa mga tao, sa kanilang mga mata para hindi nasisilawan sa kanilang mga gawain. No contrast. No contrast naman is parang dapat hindi pa iba ang kulay ng ilaw. And now, the types of lighting. Direct. This is the type of lighting that has 90 to 100% degree downwards to the office work. This is lights it's provided a good intensity of the working surface. Next naman natin is semi-direct. This is a 60 to 80% degree downward to the office work, pero meron ding lightning sa sides. Next naman is indirect. Sa indirect, 100% degree towards the ceiling. Pataas naman siya, hindi pababa. Like ganun. And that's for all.